Hey guys, we're back over here at SSB today. Gonna do some more videos, show you guys how to do a couple things in your Forester. And if you come look in here, you got my little flashing tire monitor light. You guys might get in your car and wonder what it is. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that. But more than likely, it's gonna be more for informational of what it is and how to. But you're more likely to have to take it to the shop. So what happens is the stupid monitors in these things. The reason why I'm having that problem is because this car came with a different set of wheels. I had a set of wheels with nice tires on it. It's too lazy to swap out the tires and wheels and do all the mumbo jumbo. So I stuck these on, didn't realize that these are off a 19 Crosstrek. These monitor sensors that go inside the wheels are different on the 19, and so I couldn't program these sensors to the car. So these are the original sensors that came out of that car. I got to make sure these things are good before I can. I got to put these guys in those wheels. And there's a machine that's gonna tell me if these are good or bad. So. Yeah, see, it's reading the sensor is a good sensor. If it goes beep, 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 that means they're bad sensors. It's a good sensor. I don't know if you can see. Can you see the monitor? Yeah. Where does it say if it's good or bad? Right there, it's trying to read that sensor. I'm glad I checked before I put it in the car, because I put this in one of the rims and have to redo it again. That would suck. So, okay, we have one bad sensor. Let's hold the sensor up here. See how fast I read this sensor? This sensor right here. Might have to grab another sensor. So you're still having trouble reading that sensor. Swap. Oh, what did it read? See, look, come here, I'll show you. It's saying battery's low on this last sensor. And that's when your light turns on, is when this battery goes low. You can't replace the battery in these things, so I'm going to replace it with one of these guys, a new one, and I'm going to go ahead and yeah, see, now I have all okay on the batteries. So these 4 sensors will end up going in to these 4 wheels. This is a bad sensor, throw it out. Physically just throw it out. So here's the part that sucks. If you're trying to do this at home, which is kind of hard, you need one of these guys to read the sensors and make sure they work, and then reprogram them to the car. Most people don't have one of these, so this is a good thing to where if you take it to a shop and they want to bullshit you and try to rip you off. Oh, you need this. You need to buy all brand new sensors, even though you have your old sensors. Most shops will be like, oh, you need to replace all the sensors. You don't. You just take them out from your old wheels, put them in your new wheels, put tires on them, and continue to go. If you want new batteries in the new sensors, then yes, buy new sensors. But you don't have to. And no, they're not, $50 a piece. I mean, they might be new, but come to us, they're only $10 a pop if you need them. And here's the other thing, you need some more machinery. Come on. You need a tire machine. They just screw in, they're like they're a valve stem you put air through. It pushes air in, but it won't let air back out. So now I gotta break the bead. I'm only gonna break the bead on one side. Right here. Okay, now here comes the easy part. What I do, we have one of these cool machines. Here's the sensor we're going to replace. So in 2019, they made these sensors smaller and more efficient, I'm assuming. It's like a T12. I'm using a T10, it's a little loose, but it is working, so. That's pretty much it right there. Pull this out and put one of these guys in. Like that. Okay. Raise this back up. Hook up the air to it. Put your 38 pounds in. You gotta put the stem back in. So, and then double check the I got a little gauge over here I'm looking at, so awesome. Put the cap back on. That's it.